A shower or a bath is perhaps incomplete without a soft terry towel. The terry towel is a common household item that has been used by almost everyone. The terry towel emerged in the market in the late 19th century. Although terry towels grew in popularity over subsequent decades, this fabric product has witnessed a huge demand since 1990. Welcome to Sudarshan Terry Mills. Step into a state-of-the-art plant designed for optimal productivity. With a current installed capacity of 2,300 containers a year, the SUDARSHAN brand is one of the largest towel manufacturers and exporters in India. Our production facilities, located at Pune and Kolhapur, are marked by imported machinery and highly automated workflows. Backed by a rich legacy of manufacturing denim fabric and cotton yarn, the SUDARSHAN Group entered the towel production in 2013. We'll leverage our extensive expertise in making premium quality clothing to produce world-class towels. Terry towel manufacturing is a well-set process. It comprises of 4 key steps that include spinning of yarn, weaving of fabric, processing of fabric, and stitching and packaging of the final product. The spinning division. Our high-tech spinning units, imported from Germany and Japan, symbolizes the benchmark of high efficiency. We have a capacity of 125,000 spindles and 7,000 autocoto rotors, good enough to produce 150 metric ton of cotton yarn per day. Weaving of the terry towel is done by jacquard looms or Dolby looms. We have a set of 191 Sudacoma wider width looms, which are sustainable for producing towels for the hospitality, retail, beach, and institutional markets. The processing division. We have installed advanced dyeing and processing machines from Germany. These eco-friendly machines utilize very less water during the process. We adopt the soft flow dyeing method to process the fabric for superior results. The stitching and packaging division. Stitching is done by a German-made Schmale and Texpa machines. The entire process is automated, which enhances efficiency by eliminating human error. As part of a quality assurance system, every single towel is checked by our highly skilled personnel before it is packed. A strong commitment to the environment. At SUDARSHAN Group, we are crusader of environmental conservation within the textile industry. Our factories operate on the principle of zero liquid discharge. This means that 98% of the wastewater generated is efficiently treated and reused. Visionary leadership. Starting its textile operations in 2003 under the stewardship of Chairman Mr. Sudarshan Paul Bansal, the company is now capably run by the dynamic second-generation entrepreneurs Siddharth Bansal and Gautam Bansal. Since inception, we have experienced 50 to 20% year-on-year growth in sales. With revenues pegged at $300 million and exports to over 40 countries, we cater to all major retailer and hotel chains across the world. SUDARSHAN Terry Towels is indeed scripting a saga of rapid business growth underlined by deep customer satisfaction.